So this came out okay after painting it yesterday. It clearly needs another coat, but that'll be a top coat because I'm not going to spend too much time on this. But it looks good. One more thing. Hey guys, so I'm editing and I've realized again some footage has just gone away. So I've only got about 3.5 minutes of footage from today so far. There's still more things to do. The sun is still out, so I'm still trying to get a few more things done. And it seems like I've got to stop what I'm doing, dump everything on the SD card onto the laptop, put it back into the camera, record and do a bit of work. This up and down is not sustainable because I can never get to anything. So if this video is a bit short today, I'm sorry. I did get told that my new SD card has arrived back home, so tomorrow should be normal. Thanks for your patience, guys. It's been a few hours. This is now touch dry, but I think 100% I am going to need to fare into here to try and make a couple of these spots look a little bit nicer. I'm not going to redo this bulkhead. You know, I'm working with what I've got, so I'm not going to do crazy things. But I think some fairing will help this look a lot nicer. Yeah, maybe I should do that. Well, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. As always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow, hopefully with a lot more footage that isn't getting corrupt on my ass. Have a great evening. Bye bye.